Hi, I just wanted to do a supplemental video to video 48, which was on the multi-time frame tick volume indicator. So ignore the two charts on the right, we're looking at the one on the left. So we have a 4-hour chart, and obviously I won't explain what's in here because that was explained in the previous video. Now the areas that I'm interested in are the blue areas, which for me obviously are 8 AM in the morning till I think it was 6 PM in the evening, that's UK time, because that's when the greatest volume volatility hopefully is going to be in the market. So what I wanted just to add to that previous video was the top one here is set to the current time frame, and if we put that on 4-hour, so if I just for example put a line here where the tick volume indicator line has come through 0, and obviously it shows us the trend. Now if I move that line across to the bottom here, so that line is angled downwards and it's below 0, anything within that area, if it's in the blue period, is going to be a sell, and you would use a lower time frame to enter and exit or compound your entries. Bear in mind you need to have a look at the bigger picture and just see if there are any major points on the chart that may sway the position that you're in, and also look at your calendar obviously over here, because major news releases are going to sway the market. Obviously we've got the Eurodollar here, and if you look what's coming up, we've got some serious stuff coming out in 31 minutes. Obviously this is back here and that news bit is going to be around here, but I just wanted to talk about this on the 4-hour. So if we just move it across here, you can see where it's come through. We've got the clear method candles, eventually they go green here, and if you look here we've got this rising 4-hour tick volume indicator line. Obviously it drops after that, it goes again. So this period here we're looking only to buy, but we'll use the lower time frames. And of course if we go across, you can see here, look, it started to pick up. So in fact what you could do is put a line across the top of these candles here, couldn't you? You see you've got this valley here, look, and once it breaks out it's rising, and at the top here you see it's getting exhausted, look, we've got these long wicks. So anything in there in that particular area is a buy only, you're not going to do any selling, and you're going to do it on a lower time frame, say something like a 5-minute. So if we go to a 5-minute now, I don't know whether I'll be able to scroll back far enough, just bear with me. So if we go back to there's the period, there's the two lines. So if I just change the settings in here, so the bar count, if I put that say at 2000, it should give us the 5-minute tick volume indicator line, and here it goes, look. So we're looking for pullbacks in that area. See there's one here, there's one a little bit here, but the major thing here is changing the clear method candles. You see how it changes, look, and you've got the tick volume indicator here, and of course you've got this entry. So put a line at the top of that candle there, and when it breaks through you enter, look for a pullback. There's one here, obviously it hasn't gone below here. We've got a pullback here. Now we're getting out of the blue area here, so I'm not going to be interested in this area here, only when we get back here, but we've gone past that line now. So anyway, you get the idea. It's just a supplemental. I thought I've missed some bits out there and I need to add to the last video. So there you go. Alright, bye now.